In this video, I will show you how to connect your TCL Roku TV to phone hotspot so you can now stream content on your TCL Roku TV, browse the internet using your mobile phone data connection. And to do this, first things first, you want to come over to the settings of your phone. So go ahead and open up the settings of any phone you have, whether it's an iPhone or an Android phone. And over here, you want to go ahead and look for the hotspot settings. So you can literally see the portable hotspot settings over here on my phone. Go ahead and select it. And then first things first, you want to make sure that your phone hotspot is turned on. So I'll go ahead and make sure mine is turned on. Hotspot is now turned on. Now click on the set portable hotspot settings, and over here you're going to see your hotspot name and the hotspot password. You want to keep note of this hotspot name and hotspot password, and then come over to your TCL Roku TV. Using your remote control, you want to navigate to the settings of your TCL Roku TV. So come over to the settings over here, click on settings, and then click on network. Now scroll down to where you have the setup network and then select wireless. Now automatically your TCL Roku TV will start looking for available Wi-Fi or hotspot network it can actually connect to. At this point, what you want to do is to go ahead and select the name of your Wi-Fi or hotspot in this particular case. And in my case, it is iPhone 13 Sam. So go ahead and select whatever is the name of your hotspot or your Wi-Fi. And now you want to proceed to enter the password that we saw under the set portable hotspot settings of our phone. So I'll go ahead and enter mine. I have already entered it before, so that is why it's already here. And once you finish entering your password, just scroll down here and click on the connect button, and then give the TV some few seconds. And just like so, my TCL Roku TV has now connected to my phone's hotspot. So basically, I can go ahead and start browsing the internet, streaming content on my TCL Roku TV using my mobile phone data or internet connection. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.